Hello students, topic for today's lecture is what are the rights and obligations of bank. Basically in this we'll deal with the concepts that what are the rights of the bank and what are their duties. So let's start with first we'll deal with the right of bank. What are the rights of bank? First right is right to close the account. In this the bank has the right to close the account if it is not operated properly by sending a written intimation to the customer. And then the second point is the right to charge interest and commission. In this, it is the bank's right to charge interest on the loans and the advances. Then comes right of appropriation. In this, when the money is deposited by the customer in the bank without specific instructions and the deposit amount is not enough to discharge all the debts, then there is a problem, and thus this amount should be adjusted. Then what bank does in this, then the bank has a right to appropriate the amount which is deposited to any loan, even to a time if there is a bad debt, if specific instructions are not laid down by the customer. Then comes right to set off. This right to set off is the right of the debtor and the bank both, as per which the amount due to him from the creditor can be adjusted by him against the amount payable by him to the creditor to determine the balance payable to one and the another. Then the last one is the right of general lien. In this, general lien is the right to retain any property belonging to the other till all dues are cleared. Banker's lien is a pledge that if a debtor forms any default, the banker can sell the acquired goods and can recover the amount after providing a reasonable notice to the customers. Then we'll deal with the obligations of the bank, that what are the duties of the bank. First is obligation to give notice before the closure of the account. In this, the bank has the duty to give the notice to the customer before he is closing the bank account of the particular customer. Second is obligation to maintain records. It is the duty of the bank to maintain the record of all the credits and the debits of the customer. In this, the bank has to make up accurate records of all the transaction that has been made by the customer. Then is order obligation to follow customers instructions. In this, there is a legal obligation that the banker has to follow all the instructions that has been given by the customer. Then comes the obligation to maintain secrecy. All the details and the contacts, the bank accounts, the amount in that should be confidential between the bank and the customer. The bank do not have any right to share it with the other person except with the consent of the customer. Then comes the obligation to honor check. In this, the bank has the statutory obligation that it has to honor check to the amount standing in the credit of the customer's account, and bank has to compensate the customer if it refuses a wrong manner to honor checks to its customer. Thank you.